Regarding the use of a plug to supply 208 volts alternating current to a machine even when a disconnect is present, there are several important considerations governed by the National Electrical Code and General Electrical Safety Practices. First, under National Electrical Code Article 400.12, conductors running from the disconnect to the equipment must be properly grounded and bonded. This ensures a safe path for fault current, protecting personnel and equipment. Second, Article 410.56. A5 addresses plug caps. Plug caps rated at 600 volts or less are permitted for use on circuits rated at 50 volts or more. Third, Article 430.106 covers receptacles and similarly states that receptacles rated at 600 volts or less are permitted for use on circuits rated at 50 volts or more. Beyond these specific code references, several additional factors are critical. 1. Ampacity. The plug must be rated for at least the full load current of the circuit, which in this case is 5 amps. Choosing a plug with an ampacity rating lower than the circuit's current draw could lead to overheating and potential fire hazards. 2. Voltage rating. The plug must be rated for the circuit voltage, which is 208 volts alternating current. Using a plug with a low voltage rating could result in insulation breakdown and electrical failure. 3. National Electrical Manufacturers Association or NEMA configuration. The plug and receptacle should be of the correct National Electrical Manufacturers Association or NEMA configuration to ensure proper mating and prevent misconnection. This standardization helps to avoid accidentally plugging the machine into an incompatible voltage source, which could damage the equipment. 4. Safety. The plug and receptacle should be designed to prevent accidental disconnection. Features like locking mechanisms can help maintain a secure connection, particularly in environments where vibration or movement is common. 5. Wiring method. Conductors must be properly sized and terminated to ensure safe operation. This includes selecting the appropriate wire gauge based on the ampacity of the circuit and using proper termination techniques to prevent loose connections, which can cause overheating and voltage drop. 6. Local regulations. In addition to the National Electrical Code, local regulations may have specific requirements for this type of installation. It's always essential to check with the local building inspector for any applicable codes or permits to ensure compliance and safety. Ignoring local requirements could result in fines or delays.